I will show you the best Forex indicator to catch pumps just like this on Forex pairs. It's very, very simple to use. It's why did I say very simple? It's extremely simple to use. It's basically two indicators. They literally have a buy and sell signal. It's actually the same indicator, copied a few times. So all you gotta do to learn how to use this indicator is watch this particular video all the way until the end. I'm preparing the chart right now. If you watch the video all the way until the end, I'll have a special bonus for you from my sponsors at MEXC, how to get $525 in bonuses. And if you want to trade Forex with other people's money up to $200,000, and you can get 90% of the profits if you are a real profitable trader, check the link for FTMO in the link in the description down below. You also support the channel. Slap the like button or I'll slap you. Subscribe if you, well, yeah, they have really good testimonial videos. I've watched so much from them. So here is a strategy you can test for the challenge. You can use the 4 or 5 minute chart depending if you have the paid or the free version. You can catch pumps just like this. Huge pumps. That's 50-60 pips pumps. All you gotta do is go on the indicators. You don't even need RSI, by the way, for this. You want to go on indicators right here. You want to type in super trend and add it twice. Click on it twice. Click on the first one, and on the ATR you want to type in 0.8, and on the second one you want to type in 1.6. Here it is, 1.6. So you basically buy when you have the two buys, and you sell only when you have the two sells. So you would have caught, look, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. It's so simple, right? Especially for euro dollar. And you would put your stop loss right here. Buy, sell, buy, sell. So good, man. Look at this. You just buy when you have the two ones, when you sell when you have them combined. So if you can catch the top to bottom right here, from here to here, you can even sell a little bit before that. That's 61 pips. 61 pips. I would probably sell before this when I see this exhaustion on the Heikin Ashi. It would probably even it probably wouldn't be hard if you see them on these candles. And same goes for shorting. Yeah. When you see the engulfing candle, you basically sell. You probably would have sold here as well, which it wouldn't be a bad idea. You would get 30, 40 pips from this move. You would be buying here probably as well. That's 67 pips. This, in my opinion, is by far the simplest strategy. I wouldn't use it alone, to be honest. I know that you probably were searching for best for strategy that works every time, and I've seen videos like this, but there's no strategy that works every time. There's probability, and also most of these strategies on choppy markets will get you clean. For example, you can make money here, but you lose money here. So you want to combine this with another strategy. That's what a real trader would do. I have a bunch of strategies on my channel. I would use this on a lower time frame or this on a higher time frame, and other strategies on a lower time frame to confirm the trade. And that's how you will have a complete professionally done trade. Since you stayed all the way until the end, MEXC, here are the bonuses, the 3 bonuses. The links for them are in the description down below. The campaign ends in 11 days. You want to sign up for MEXC using my link. And then all you gotta do is sign up for their fence event. I have a link for it as well in the description down below. Let me know what you think in the comment section with my GBP trade, okay? And I want to see you next video. This video is no financial advice. Bye.